Hey crypto enthusiasts and iPhone users, have you ever dreamt of mining cryptocurrency on your smartphones? Well, today seems to be your lucky day because BlockDAG has just released their groundbreaking X1 Miner app on the Apple App Store. And today, I would be diving deep into what this amazing app can do for you, how it works, and why you should be downloading it right now. So stay tuned with us till the very end and make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel by pressing especially to that bell notification button so that you do not miss out on any important crypto updates. All right, first let's just talk about BlockDAG. As we know, it's inspired by Bitcoin and Kaspa, and as of today, it's one of the most advanced Layer 1 blockchain the world over, characterized by industry-leading speeds, high decentralization, and an unbeatable security. Built for the future, BlockDAG can power everything from everyday applications to enterprise-grade DeFi protocols, and now with the BlockDAG X1 Miner App, crypto mining has never been so easy. Now let's dive into the star of today's show, the BlockDAG X1 Miner App found on the Apple App Store. All right, so it's available in the store itself, and this app transforms literally your iPhone into a powerful mining rig with just a few taps. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible even for those, and this is the special part, even for those who are new to the world of cryptocurrency. Once you download the app, you can start mining on the DevNet immediately. The coins you mine here will be migrated to your wallet once the mainnet goes live in September. And guess what? You can potentially mine up to 20 BlockDAG coins every day. With an anticipated value of $20 per BlockDAG coin by 2027, I think you already know the earning potential, just how incredible it is. Now, let's take a closer look at the features and benefits of the BlockDAG X1 Miner app. Current features in the beta version have a couple of things. Number one is user onboarding with phone and OTP. Now, that just makes signing up like a breeze. I mean, all you need is your phone and an OTP verification. No complicated processes here. That's just brilliant, all right? Number two, pre-sale of BlockDAG coin. You get early access to BlockDAG coins through the pre-sale feature, all right? It's a good opportunity because the value of those coins may be a fraction of what they would become when BlockDAG goes live. Number three, user settings, right? You get to customize your app experience with comprehensive settings. And lastly, referral feature, you get to invite your friends and earn rewards through the referral program. There are also some upcoming features like wallet support, where you get to manage your cryptocurrency holdings directly within the app, right? There's social media connect for login or sign up that's coming up, where you can pretty much easily sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account or even your Apple account. And then there would be notifications to keep you updated and informed of all the developments and activities. And that's not entirely it. The BlockDAG team is literally working to constantly try and improve the application, and so you can expect even cooler features popping up as the application updates itself with time. Plus, you can start building your groups early and refer users to the app to pre-boost your reward power. Now let's get into how you can start using the BlockDAG X1 Miner app. So you need to first tap the Activate BlockDAG X1 button to start mining. You can view BlockDAG balance and check your BlockDAG coin balance at the top of the screen. There's a session timer which basically helps you keep an eye on the countdown timer for your next mining session. Then on the side menu you have options like Home, where you can return to your main dashboard. Group lets you manage group settings and view group mining stats. Leaderships lets you see how you rank against the other miners. And then settings are just the basic settings where you can adjust your account settings. You can find some FAQs in the FAQ section. All the commonly asked questions will be answered, hopefully. And then should you want to log out, then there's the sign out option, which you can, conveniently click. There's also leaderboard functionality. There are filter options that lets you toggle between week, month, and year to view top earners. You can even see usernames and against them their BlockDAG earnings. So that way you get to see user-wise rankings as well. There's real-time updates in that you get immediate results of your mining efforts. Speaking of security and support, for BlockDAG, security is the top priority. The app is built with high security standards to protect your data and ensure fair mining. Plus, if you ever need help, support is just a tap away. And remember, future updates will include features such as community interaction, where you can basically foster a more connected user base. So what are you waiting for? Download the X1 Miner app from the Apple App Store onto your iPhone devices and start mining cryptocurrency today itself. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be a part of the future of decentralized finance. For the moment, this app is available only on the Apple App Store, but pretty soon the Android version will also be out. Follow the link from the website for the X1 Miner app. Register or log into your account, and then after login, you get to access the X1 Miner app dashboard and you start mining. So download the X1 Miner app for BlockDAG mining today. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching and look forward to see you in the next video. This is Crypto Scholar signing off today.